Good afternoon, everyone. It's after hours right now, bringing you a video on OBLN. Today, the market was crazy. We had a bunch of names pre-market gapping up on news: BLRX, OBLN, CLNE, AVP, CODX, and WKHS. All of these names I had on the watch list. I created a video pre-market and I posted it. This stock, I thought it was going to be a great trader in the morning, but started going, it was really choppy. All of the stocks started to pull back right at the open. VLRX, which was one of my favorites, pulled back pretty badly right at the open. CLNE as well. WKHS. It was a bunch of names, but all of them right before the market opened, right at the bell rang, it started pulling back. And as you can see here, it was really choppy, but it had a pretty interesting triangle formation here. Now, I was able to see this thing when it popped at this candle. Right here, it was halted. The volume surged like crazy, 1 million shares. If you notice here, these little candles, all of them had only like 50-something thousand, 70,000, 80,000 share per candle. And this is a 2-minute time frame here. But in this particular candle, we had over 1 million shares traded. So it popped up and then it was halted. Right open, right at this candle, it had 1.6 million. And then pop another candle here with 1.778. Then, it had a little high here of $1.45, and from there it started going sideways. Let me bring you a 5-minute real quick here, a 5-minute time frame, so I can show you how it looked on the 5. Started going sideways. You can see it was flagging right here, this little formation right here. And then from there, it pulled back. You had a pretty nice retracement, 5-minute micro pullback right here, this candle, and then retracement again. This candle right here had a little bit of support, popped up, went sideways, and right before the market closed, so you notice here, we had a very interesting doji candle here, started picking up a little bit more volume. And right here, it had some surge pricing, pull back here in a nice flag, found support right at the 100 period moving average, popped up, and then it had a pullback here at the 5, at the 2-minute. You can see a flagging around there. The 2 surged up, nice, very nice pop, and it was halted at 157 right at this candle here. Let me see if I can bring you a picture of the halt real quick. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna bring you this nice. All right, so I'm gonna bring you the picture here. Nice image. Let me just shrink it a little bit so you can see when it actually was halted. Now this candle here was halted at 157. Let me bring you this thing closer here. If you notice here, there was a bunch of prints right here on 157, the level 2. And we had a 328, which means that it was 32,800 shares on the bid on 157. You see a bunch of prints on the time and sales right here on 157 going through. It was a little bit crazy. From there, you can see right here, pretty nice halt, and right at the halt it opened, went to a high 164 right now. As you can see, still moving sideways after hours, popped up to 164 and then pulled back from there. Exquisite halt. It found nice volume right here. This is when it started surging after it found a little bit of support right here. The doji candle finding this nice flag here, the 100 period moving average. And then from there, it's just history, guys. But it was crazy. It was a very nice trader. And the spread, if you looked at the picture and you pull it right back. Spread, it was a really tight spread, which is a pretty good thing. And you know, today was a day that I thought it was not gonna be this type of action, but amazing action on OBLN. 2 circuit breaker holds today. Crazy volume, spectacular activity and volume on this particular stock. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video here, and I just appreciate your time, and happy trading, guys. Thank you so much for listening.